Okay, once you have it flipped inside out and you have your side stitched close, you can go ahead and iron around all of the edges, and then you can put more pins through it. What you're going to want to do is, in some way, shape, or form, you want to attach the front and the back layer all the way through, because otherwise it's attached and it can end up as wads throughout here. I've never found a batting that you didn't have to attach at least somewhat. So there's different ways you can do that. One of the most common ways you see, especially for people that aren't real seasoned at sewing, is the yarn. What you'll need is a big needle, and you'll string your yarn through there and go all through the fabric, through to the other side, and back up. You can just barely see the little hole there. And then you'll just tie it on a knot on the top. Make sure you find something that matches the fabric. Find points in the fabric that it makes sense to have them kind of evenly out. They don't have to be perfectly even. But that's one way to do it. What I'm actually going to do on this blanket, since it has the satin backing and I don't think it would, I think the yarn would rip right back through the other side, is I am going to sew through all three fabrics and kind of quilt it together, kind of like I've done this one where you can see it's attached. And what I'll do, since this one has a nice pattern on it, you can kind of see it on the front too. You can use fun colors to kind of make it look nice on both sides. What I'm going to do on here is just kind of follow the outside of the star, and then on the reverse side you'll be able to see the star pattern on there. And once you have that all done, you can go ahead and trim your strings and your family blanket will be done.